Say, I love you.
Love you.
So get all better soon.
Get all better soon.
Get all better soon.
Can you sing a song?
Jesus loves me. He sang the pretty babe who told me so. We don't want to be what we like. We want Jesus loves. Yes, Jesus loves me. Abba told me so.
Here, welcome home, Grandma. I hope you feel better soon. Can you do that?
I'll be here soon. I'll be here soon.
Claire thought we were going to sing Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, both of you go give him a big muff.
Ah.